Hello there, today I will show you how to correctly replace the RAM in a PC. First step, to order the RAM you must check your motherboard specs to know which RAM you have to buy. For me it's Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB 3200 MHz CL16. Second step, take it from the best courier. Third step, I will replace the old RAM with new 16GB DDR4 Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro sticks. Remove the screws and then remove the glass or side panel. Carefully remove the latches and then remove all the RAM sticks. In my case, I have two RAM sticks, so I put a new RAM into the slot A2 and B2. Then, turn on the computer and enter the BIOS by pressing Del or F12. Enter Advanced Memory Settings to set the timing and latency. Enable XMP Profile 1 and set XMP High Frequency Support to Automatic. Now you have to set the frequency. My sticks are 3200 MHz, so I have to set the system memory multiple on 32. After all, press the button, save and quit, and wait till your PC turns on. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe Alone Creations on YouTube. Tutaj ustawić. Jak on ci zniknie z kadru, rozumiesz? Ty się zatrzymasz w tym momencie, Kowal przejdzie do strzału tam, ty kontynuujesz, podchodzisz, nie? I jak się nie. Rozumiesz?
To nikt!
To już masz. To ja. To co? Będzie na powtórkę do końca.
A co zrobię? Padła mu śrubka z łapki.
Weź tam, powtórz jeszcze raz, chcę to zobaczyć.
Bardzo szybko. Nie zdążę ekspozycji złapać.